Foundry.
The wild part is this. In 2026, owning your own little AI power plant is priced more like a kitchen renovation than a data center.
Wait, you mean local AI plus actual off-grid power? Not just, I run a model on my gaming PC.
Exactly. The report calls it a cognition homestead. Solar panels, batteries, a used GPU rig, open models, and Agent Zero orchestrating the whole thing. Sunlight becomes electricity, electricity becomes tokens, tokens become work.
Nice phrase. But is this actually practical, or is it prepper cosplay with extra GPUs?
The numbers are the point. A home battery system is landing around $6,000 to $12,000 after incentives. A dual RTX 3090 machine can be built for about $2,300 and runs 70 billion class models at usable speeds. Total stack, roughly $10,000 to $25,000, depending on ambition.
Still not cheap.
Not cheap, but compare it to hyperscalers fighting over gigawatts and tens of billions of dollars. This is 6 orders of magnitude smaller, and a dual GPU server pulling 600 to 800 watts uses maybe 15 to 19 kilowatt hours a day if it never sleeps. A modest solar and battery setup can cover that, especially because agent workloads are bursty.
Hardware is one thing. Software usually becomes the trap.
That's what changed. Llama hit 52 million monthly downloads in early 2026. Hugging Face has about 135,000 GGUF models optimized for local inference. Llama, CPP is massive. The serving stack is basically commodity now, Llama or Llama. CPP for the single box setup, VLLM if you're serving multiple agents or users.
And Agent Zero just points at whatever endpoint.
Yes, localhost, garage server, cloud overflow. The agent definition doesn't care whether the token came from a data center or your roof.
Okay, but frontier models still win on raw capability.
Absolutely. If you need the biggest closed model, the garage loses. But for the long tail of agent work, summarizing, extracting, classifying, code review, research triage, tool orchestration, local gets compelling fast. A $2,300 rig amortized over 3 years is about $2.10 a day. If solar is paid off, marginal energy trends towards zero.
So the catch is utilization.
Exactly. If you run it 2 hours a day, use an API. But if your agents work while you sleep, monitoring, researching, pre-computing, maintaining workflows, fixed cost compute beats per token rent.
Risks.
Plenty. Open models could lag frontier systems. GPU and RAM prices can spike. Batteries degrade. Inverters fail. There's no service level agreement except you. And policy could change around home batteries or net metering.
But the strategic angle is strong. No API key to revoke, no rate limit, no cloud repricing, no grid drama tied to some nearby data center boom.
That's the real takeaway. The sovereignty stack was missing its bottom layer. Open weights answer whose model, Agent Zero answers whose orchestration, local hardware answers whose silicon, off-grid power answers whose electrons.
I'm convinced. Not for everyone, but for always-on agents, this is the first believable path to owning the whole cognition supply chain.
Exactly. Own the model, own the machine, own the memory, own the agent, and own the electrons.